Hello everyone, this is B for trymeoncereviews, and today we are looking at Masione iPad keyboard case. So basically, in the pack you get a screen protector, a cleaning cloth, a squeezy, manual. So I'm putting it aside because I want to focus on the case and the Bluetooth keyboard. So looking first at the case. So this is iPad case. It really locks itself, keeps iPad really nice PU leather. There's this Masione branding, and there's a magnetic thing which locks itself. And so a really nice case for iPad once you're carrying it. And then once you open your iPad, and it can use it as a stand for watching movies and stuff. It can even stay in between. So really nice case in itself. Now talking about the keypad, so you have this keyboard, really nice keyboard. You have a on-off button here, connect button. So right now I've paired it with the iPad, and really nice. You can see the brushed feel of the keyboard on top. Back is really plain, and you would have this is the micro USB charging port. So, and it's a magnetic base, so it sticks. Once you put it there, it sticks to the case. So you're gonna see, it sticks to the case, so which is really nice. So you can slide it here towards the end of the case, and then just hold the iPad like this, and you could put it in. Let me turn it on. Keyboard gives a really nice feel of typing as well. So I was just doing a test, but I can again start writing. So this is another test to see the typing experience on this keyboard, which is really nice. And I very well loved it. You could see it typed it well, and I love the case. You could see the keys are nicely elevated, and you get a really good feel while typing it. All in all, looks like an excellent iPad Air case with keyboard. Also, looking inside, this is a plastic snap-on case, so the iPad can fit in very quickly, and taken out very quickly. So that's not a problem. When you see this case, everything is accessible. On the back side, you have a camera port open, so even if you want to use the camera, that is available. And I'm very impressed with this. This will be for trymeoncereviews. Thank you.